Okay, this is for anybody who wonders what life up north is like. Get down to 11 below last night and I just find out that the block heater on this International doesn't work. I have a feeling it's this plug thing. So, we'll throw the salamander on the engine for a little while. Jump the jumper cables from the shop truck to the big truck. Just because, you know, it's idling, might as well let it warm up. And let that throw some heat at it. Gotta love it when it's below zero. You know, it's gonna be a cold day when you gotta grab the can of starter fluid to get the gen set running. Alrighty. I'll ever start about half hour, 45 minutes. Toodaloo.